Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to share how to create coming soon page or under construction page on WordPress using Elementor. First of all, this is the website. How does it look? And let's go to first themes. I use mostly Hello theme for if I use Elementor. So you can use any theme which is good for Elementor. So I'll just use Hello Elementor this one. Okay, I'm just installing. It takes few seconds. Activate it, and after that, go to plugins, add new, search for Elementor, and you will see lots of good plugins. I recommend here two plugins. One is Elementor Website Builder, and other one is Elementor Kit because we need kits from this. Okay. In other videos, I will share the use of these plugins as well. So just go to install and activate it, and let's go to pages. So I just cleaned everything. There's no such thing. This website just for tutorials. So add new page. Let's name it as coming soon page. Okay, coming soon. Okay, so just select your default theme with Elementor Canvas, publish, and we use this as like go to Elementor, and here we need to go to dashboard. So this way I just installed Elementor and Elementor Kit as well. What I will do is, so in this video I'm going to create beautiful and good coming soon page for any website. You can, if you are designing a new website, redesigning for your clients or anything, you can use this. So let's see what is the issue here. Let's refresh it. Oh, it's not loading. Okay, sometimes it's kind of issue with Elementor. Now it's okay. Just go to Elementor Kit and sections. See, these two plugins are free. You without any cost. You do not need to buy premium things or any. It's just you can do with free. So, and let me show you first how does it look like. So this is something I created on Elementor using Elementor Kit. So we will be using same thing on the coming soon page as well. So just scroll down a bit, scroll down a bit, scroll down a bit. Okay, so you need to find that beautiful thing with different colors and yeah, okay. So you can use any of them and you design it as per your own requirements. But this is the good thing I do with all my clients. I do the same thing for all my clients when I have to add coming soon page. So you can do the same. I'm not sure where it went. Just a moment, please stay with me. So I just need to pick that thing and upload it on our website. Okay, it was right here. Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment. It's coming. Yes. Maybe I missed when I was scrolling down. Ah, this one. See, just insert it and you see this is how it looks. So we do not need this thing. Just set it this as like height and fit to screen, and I just click here and right here coming and just shadow text. This is shadow text. So yeah, so coming soon. You can just put dots maybe, or you can do anything else. You just if you want to put something on journey towards success, you can put uh, right here, or if you don't, just uh, remove that and just update it, and let's see how does it look on the mobile. Okay, let's go to mobile view and it's not looking good. So what we will do is we'll just set something so that it could come in the screens, maybe like 100 or maybe 50, 150 and 150. If you 100 maybe, but 150 I think. Okay, this looks good, but just go here, title was not showing. Okay, 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 okay. We'll just okay. Alrighty. Focus title and just remove that. Okay. So just go here, center, and cover. Okay. Now it's saying cover. Okay. You can just play it around and see what looks good for you. So this is I have created the coming soon page on Elementor. Now I have to set this coming soon page on the main page. So we'll just go to customizer, and it will take some time to load. Once we go to that, we just go to homepage settings, static tags, and connection page. Now, if somebody visit my website, this is how it will look like coming soon. Okay, now in this video, if you have any question, you can always ask me. I've created a simple page. You can export this page and use on different websites. You don't need to create every time, like you can just do it once and use that same template on all the websites you want to. It is good for, it looks professional that you put coming soon page when the website is not ready, so that if someone comes on the website, he or she does know that website is under developing. Um, Somebody is working on the website. So in the next video, I'm going to share another topic. We'll pick it up and maybe it will be header. So stay tuned. First, and I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I could keep making these such kind videos. And let's grow together. Thank you for watching. Please hit a like. Thank you.